Hello friends, Running Kimono here. A bit of gravel in the voice this morning, but it's not going to stop us from getting the best curbside deals over at Walgreens right until the 24th of February. So you are ordering this stuff through your cell phone, desktop, computer, tablet, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check and ordering the stuff through the app that way. A bit cheaper and some spectacular deals in this video. Now, if you want to get the best deals with the 7 back when you spend 20 on Walgreens items, so with the Nice brand, the Complete Home, or just the Walgreens brand, watch yesterday's video. I made a dedicated video to that. A lot of us are trying to save dollars and cents on everything household, so that is the video you want to check out if you want to do that. This is just cheap stuff, rolling Walgreens cash, and so on and so forth. So the first thing we're going to talk about, and I could not track down either of these items, but we have a $2 digital coupon, and if you look on the right-hand side top, there's a $1.99 Tom's of Maine deodorant that's been in the clearance section. If you can track it down, boom, free item. Curbside, though, that $2 coupon will get reduced down to $1.99, no overage at Walgreens. So you have to do these curbside to get them for free. And unless you can grab 2 of each, but then it's not free. That would be in store. Hopefully I'm not confusing you guys, but the older shoppers will know what I'm talking about. Also, I couldn't track down this Burt's Bees for $1.49. We have a $2 coupon. So the $2 coupon would reduce down to $1.49 curbside, and it would just be a free item. If you're going to do this in store, you'd obviously have to pick up 2 for $3 to use that $2 coupon. Hopefully that is crystal clear. Okay, deal number 1. I'm going to say to do this one in store just to save yourself a little bit of drama. So these Arm & Hammer liquid detergents only are $1.99 this week. So grabbing 11 of them, it's $21.89. If you might have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.89. And then you're going to get a receipt to submit to Fetch Rewards because you're getting back $2 when you spend $20. You've achieved that, so it's an extra $2. So it basically makes it a really good deal. Now, I will let you know this excludes the scent boosters and the packs. It's for liquid detergent only. So I would try and make this deal happen. I would recommend to do it in store than curbside because curbside at $1.99, you can't use a discount code and you need a receipt for fetch. So that's why I would recommend to do this specific one in store. The rest are going to be curbside. Okay, so the first curbside deal that we're going to look at, if you have kids and you have lunches to pack, this is a great one. So this is the Valentine's Day Welch's fruit snacks. So it's a larger box of them. You might have to include a couple of them because they don't really include a lot of the fruit snack for these smaller Valentine's Day one. But they're 50% off at $3.49. Now, the interesting thing about this is that we have a digital coupon, which is $1.50 off a 2, and it is attaching to Valentine's Day. So my theory is later in the week, as this stuff goes 75 or 80, you possibly could get it cheaper with this digital coupon as well if there's any left. So for my cart, I put in 1 Scott toilet paper for $5 and then 3 of the Welch's mixed snacks for $10.47. For the Scott, you're going to have to load the following digitals, the $1.25 IVC coupon, and then we also got a $1 manufacturer this week, so load this guy as well. Just to show you all the coupons coming off, $1.50 for Welch's, Scott, and then WAG 10, an extra $1.17 off, so a little bit of magic right there. Overall basket is $15.47. WAG 10 in the IVC for Scott, $2.42 coming off, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and $2.50 in digitals coming off. $11.42. You know, I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.42 and call this a steal of a deal. Now we're looking at the next deal, deal number 3, and for this one we're going to be grabbing 2 of the men's NIVEA shave cream. This is going to be a harder item to track down. It's on a promotion to buy 2, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So yes, you can roll Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it, but the 5 off 15, it's almost impossible to track these down. I looked at many stores to try to make a big basket of this, but it's going to be very difficult. But maybe in your area, it might be different than mine. We're also going to throw in one of these Lysol laundry sanitizers for $7.49. If you've recently been sick with the cold or flu, this is really good to really sanitize your sheets, towels, that sort of stuff. We have this $3 digital coupon, just a meat and potatoes item that I really like for the stockpile. So your overall total for this basket is $14.49. $1.47. WAG 10 taken off $1.15. Free curbside pickup and $3 coming off. Pay $11.12. Or you can roll $10 in Walgreens cash if you wish, and then you're getting back $5. So not a bad little deal. Now we're looking at deal number 4. For this one, we're going to get everybody's favorite, that are the 2 Olay nighttime creams at $10.99 a pop. So 2 of them is $21.98. It's on the goofy promotion of buy 15, get back 5. So don't we love that? And it's still taking place for curbside, which is really nice. So we're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 2. There's a whole host of new coupons that popped up for this, for Olay. So this is one of them. So definitely load this guy. It's definitely worth it. So the overall basket is $21.98. WAG 10 taking off $1.20. Free curbside pickup. The big $10 coupon coming off. So the total here is $12.03. Pay it with your debit card, and then you're getting back $5. So it makes the 2 lotions like $7 or $3.50 per. Not a bad deal. Deal number 5. Okay, so for this one, we're going to be grabbing one of the baby Eucerin shampoos for $11.99, and then one of those larger healing lotions. It's going to last you a really long time for $21.99. Anytime that goes on clearance or deal like this, I always grab one of those larger ones. If you're diabetic, that 16-ouncer is magic in a bottle. We have the following digital coupons: a $3 off of a Eucerin, and then a $3.50 off of a baby product. I know for a lot of diabetics, we're asked to look for products with the Olay properties, and I think Eucerin, they have a huge diabetes line, so you might want to look out for that as well. But this thicker lotion, the 16-ounce one, is fantastic. We have this really awesome promotion, spend 20, get 10 off with the code Eucerin, but you actually have to spend 30 to get that off. So I typed it in because I had $30, so $10 melted off, and then the $3 for the regular and $3.50 off for the baby. So that's a little bit of savings right there. I just had to get that 10 off 20. It was a bit temperamental for me. So my overall basket was $33.98. So I had to spend the subtotal of 30 to get that $10 to successfully come off for me. 10 off with the code, free curbside pickup, $1.44 in tax, and $6.50 of coupons melting off. Now there's also another promotion with Eucerin to spend 20, get back 10. So with my debit card, I'm going to pay the $18.92 and then get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So it makes it a very good little deal with the promotion code, especially if you need this lotion. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.